Hello, hello again. So after I did my my fancy, if you can call it that, makeup routine, I started thinking maybe I should do a super quick, like my 5-minute face, 7-minute face. I mean, I do a pretty quick makeup routine and this is the final result, but I thought I might show you guys exactly what I do and why it takes me so little time. So if you're interested, keep watching, and I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like these kinds of videos, and let me know if you want to see more like this in the future. Okay, without further ado, let's just dive on in. These are my favorites I'm going to be using today. This is the Bare Minerals in Fair Ivory 02. Makeup Forever. This is my concealer, and it is in the color number 1. Color 1. Then we've got Hourglass. This is in the color Mood Exposure. I just adore this color. And Urban Decay in Toasted and, no, yes, Smog. Toasted and Smog. And Bare Minerals Brow Powder in Dark Blonde. I have some Auburn mixed in with that, also from Bare Minerals. And then my Voluminous mascara with a curved brush, that's in the color Black. And my Burt's Bees in the color Peachy, number 13. And Kiehl's in Naturally Nude. This is their Butterstick Lip Treatment. So this is what we're working with today. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start with my Bare Minerals Original. This is Fair Ivory, color number 2. And I'm gonna swoosh their brush around in here, just get a little bit on there. And then, you know, you guys saw the commercials. You probably remember when this product came out. Do the little tap, 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 smooth it on. So this is a really, really quick makeup routine. I am not trying to hide anything. I have a birthmark on my face. I've got some imperfections. I don't care. It's my face. That's what it looks like. I'm good with it at this point in my life. Next, I move on to blush. I love this Hourglass Mood Exposure. It is such a beautiful color. It's almost like a purpley brown when you look at it in the container and in the pan, but it's beautiful on. I use their brush. This is an Hourglass brush, and I just go across and then back. I almost create like an isosceles triangle, if I remember my like middle school or geometry or whatever. Okay, across and down to kind of get just like a little bit of cheekbone enhancement. Just a little bit. But then of course I do the apples of my cheeks, and to be extra fancy I swipe it across my eyelids just like so. Okay, next I do concealer. Most people would probably do concealer before blush, but I like to do it after my blush because my blemishes tend to be on my cheeks, kind of under where my blush is already going. Bit of a birthmark right there, covered that baby up. All right, I'm good with that, pretty easy. All right, next I'm moving on to my eyes. This is the Urban Decay in Toasted. I get this from Ulta. I have not seen this color as a single at Sephora, but they do have it in the eyeshadow palettes. And I, as y'all know from my other makeup routine, am so basic. I don't really like to use a lot of brushes. I got places to be. I got things I gotta do. I got a house to clean. So I'm just doing this really, really fast with my finger. Okay. And if I feel like that still looks a little bit flat, I might go in with a little bit of the Urban Decay Smog. This little single, this little mini just looks a little different because it's older. I haven't bought a new one yet. And I put that just in my crease and across the top and out just a bit and maybe across the bottom, and then blend with another finger. I know my friend Katina is laughing at me right now because I'm so basic using my finger to do this, but whatever. Okay. Blend, 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 blend. Time for eyebrows. Okay, I'm coming in with more Bare Minerals. This is my favorite eyebrow powder. It is dark blonde. I have mixed it with just a little bit of their Auburn shade because I like to have just a little bit of that warmth in here. I hardly have any left in here, but that's okay. I get just the tiniest amount on my brush. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing. And then I kind of flick it out. So there's not much on my brush at all. I don't need a whole lot of coverage, just a little bit to kind of fill in. Okay, filled in on that side. I try to kind of line it up with the inner corner of my eye, but Again, I'm not trying to like make anything happen that's not already there. Okay, I mean, it's subtle, but you know, that's what I want. I'm not going for a crazy full face of makeup. Tap, 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 tap. And I've got this little space right here where there's a nice eyebrow hair, but then there's nothing. So I kind of color that in between and try to fill it in a little bit. I've actually been using my my Righteous Roots oils on my eyebrows at night. I have not seen anything new growing in yet, but I am not patient. It's only been maybe a week. But I'm hoping to see something new grow in. My eyebrows are definitely the most, and eyelashes are definitely the most time-consuming parts of my routine. But I feel like I fly through everything else pretty quickly, so I'm good with that. All right, that is good enough for me. Time for mascara. I love, love, love my cheapy eyelash curlers. I've tried the expensive ones from Sephora. Yeah, they're fine, but like you can't beat $3 from Walmart. It does a great job. It's fine. It's what I need it to do. And you cannot beat this L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara that I have used for 1,000,000 years. I like it in the color black. They also make a brown, a black brown, and a very black, I think is what it's called. And the very black just makes my eyelashes feel thin. Like it just doesn't really, I don't know, it just is too, I don't know, there's something about it that's too much. And then black brown doesn't quite show up enough, and a brown obviously doesn't show up enough. So black has been my go-to shade for a long time, and I just recently discovered the curved wand, which I absolutely adore. So I start at the outer corner and I just kind of wiggle it up. I do a few strokes just to try to keep that curl in place from when I curled my eyelashes just a moment ago. And then I kind of try to wiggle it all the way up and then go straight, if that makes any sense. Just to really load my lashes up with product, because I don't want to fool with eyeliner and all that. So that's what I'm going for. And then I don't dip the brush again before doing my lower lashes, because I just want my lower lashes to be slightly defined, not too long, not too spidery, none of that junk. All right, other eye. Mom would kill me for sharing this with you, but I am a perfectionist and I 100% use a safety pin to separate some area. I mean, it's a safety pin, like it's safe, right? So I use that to separate any areas that are too clumpy to me. I've been doing it for a long time. I'm a professional. It's fine. It's fine. And then of course lippy, my very favorite is this Burt's Bees in Peachy. I also love this Kiehl's Butterstick Lip Treatment. I don't even know the name of the color. Naturally Nude. It's such a pretty, pretty color. I mean, they're like, could they be any more similar? So I'm really loving these. I actually keep this one in my car because I never remember to put it on, and I had to just go get it just now to put it on for you. It just adds a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of color, and just kind of makes my lips look a little fuller. So I really like it. And that's it. So this is my finished makeup look. It's very basic, it's very simple, but I hope it was helpful to you guys. So if you have questions or suggestions for me, you know I always love those kinds of comments. So please leave them below, and if you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up, and I hope you'll subscribe. And I hope to see you soon. Have a great day. I'll talk with you later. Bye guys.